Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete your saved data on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and save as much storage space as possible on your PlayStation 5? Well, deleting some of your game saves could be an option. I'm just on the home screen of the PlayStation 5 right now. Let's go up to the top and go to the right to Settings and select this option. And now let's go ahead and scroll on down to Storage, right here in the middle. Let's select X on this. Now under Console Storage, let's go over to the right and go to Save Data. This is a little bit different than the PlayStation 5. Now it says I have 4.32 gigabytes of saved data on my PlayStation. If I go ahead and select this, I can go to PlayStation 5 games or PS4 games. Now I'm going to go ahead and select my PS5 games. And it's going to bring me to the delete section right away. And this will be like my game saves, my single player progression, my Minecraft worlds, etc. It's not the actual game itself. So if I go to like auto chest, I can go to it and then go to delete. And it'll get it off of my PlayStation 5. However, one thing I may want to go ahead and do before I delete something is to enable auto sync or auto upload. Or if I go to the left here at the top and go to upload to cloud storage, I can select all my games and then go to upload to cloud storage. And this will back up all my progress to the cloud. So it says on the top I have 84 gigabytes of console storage, but on the bottom it says cloud storage PS5. I have 106 gigabytes of cloud storage available. So if something happens to my PlayStation 4 or 5 at some point in time, or I need to bring my account to my friend's house, well, I can bring my progress for my Call of Duty campaign, my Minecraft world over to their house. All I have to do is download from the cloud storage to their PlayStation. Boom, I have all that information. And this is free if you're a PlayStation Plus member. So back up all your game saves to the cloud. I highly recommend that. Then you can easily delete them off your PlayStation and you won't need them on there anymore. So if I go back, I can go to my PlayStation 4 games. So you have an option to upload to cloud storage under here as well. So let's go ahead and back out and I'll show you how to turn on auto sync or auto upload. Now this will be under the main settings menu and then go down to save data and game app settings. Go to PS4 or PS5. Then go over to sync save data for PS5 and enable auto sync right at the top right here. And this will sync for your game progress. So my Call of Duty campaign's in here, Elder Scrolls Online, and then go ahead and do the same thing for your PS4. This is called auto upload. So this will automatically upload your saved data from this console to cloud storage. Boom. So make sure both those options are selected, and then you can go ahead and delete the game saves off your PS4 or PS5 at any point in time, and it'll always be backed up to the cloud for you in case you ever want to go ahead and download it again. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.